how to generate your first image in OpenArt AI. So I'm over here at the homepage of OpenArt AI of the new workspace. Now we are gonna go to the previous version. If you wanna work with the new one, just over here you can create image, but these images are gonna cost a bit more, so I'll go to the previous version. I'm just gonna click here and then go to image, or over here on the left, click on image, go to create image, and over here you can select your model or character. There are a bunch of them. You can select by category if you want, anime or photorealistic. Let's do cyber realistic, I guess. And in order to generate an image, you need to give it a prompt. So I'm gonna give it similar settings to this one, or I'm just gonna copy that one. Let's say I wanna copy, and I'm gonna paste it here. So we have a prompt. You need to give specific details to make the AI understand what you want. You can select the aspect ratio if you want to do squared, and you could play with the settings and see it might improve your images, maybe better resolution or different style. But in this video I'm only gonna show you how to generate your first image. So the last step that you need to do, go under number of images, select how many images you want. As you can see, it's gonna cost me 1 credit. This is the amount of credits that I have. I'm gonna select 2 images. It's gonna cost 2 credits. I'm gonna click create. Now it's generating the images. All I need to do is wait, and I'll be back when it's done. Okay, it's done generating the images, as you can see. And this is how you generate your first image step by step in OpenArt AI. If this video was helpful, make sure to give it a like, and thank you for watching.